If you've ever tried to sneak a snack in class but your stomach outed you, this one's for you. Let's crack the case of those noisy hunger rumbles. So here's the scoop. When your stomach's empty, your brain tells your gut to get moving. Those muscles squeeze and contract, mixing up any leftover food, gas, and digestive juices. That squeezing action, it actually echoes inside your empty gut, making that famous growling sound, also called borborygmi. The hungrier you are, the louder it gets because there's less food to muffle the noise. It's basically your body's way of texting you, "Hey, feed me." So next time your belly starts talking, don't be embarrassed. It just means your body's working exactly how it should. Stay curious and keep those snacks handy.